Hello, my dear and beloved family. Guan Yin has been very important for my life, and I'm very grateful for that. And every time I sing Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa mantra, I feel very, very blessed and happy. So I usually recite it in the morning and also in the evening, but sometimes I sing it with my guitar. I know that the singing might not be pretty, and but it connects with my heart in much a deeper level, and I think that singing a mantra is so special, especially for me, because I really sing it from my heart. So this is the way I sometimes sing it, and I hope you enjoy. Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin. Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin, Namo Guan Shi Yin Pusa, Namo Guan Shi Yin. Thank you for watching, my dear and beloved family. And Shaolin salute. I wish you a wonderful day.